Hi, today I'll be walking you through the Comments panel in PDF Studio 2022 and showing you how each of its functions work. So first we're going to go to the icon to the right in PDF Studio. We're going to click it, and here you'll find your Comments panel. To expand it, you can expand it by page by clicking this arrow, and you can see all your comments on each page. You can also expand all your comments by clicking this icon up here that says Expand. And you can also collapse them by clicking the icon right next to it that says Collapse. All right, I'm going to keep it expanded, and I'm going to go through some of the comments, and I'm going to also use the functions on them to show you how they work. So I'm going to click this comment here. As you can see, it highlights on the page. You could click this third icon to the right that says Status. And basically what this does, if say you have a different reviewer who sent you this document, you can respond to them by using this status function. You can either say you accept the comment, you rejected it, you can cancel it, or you can mark it completed. Also, if you want to respond to them by checking it as well, you can do that. Or this can also be something that's helpful for you if you want to go through each comment that you reviewed and checking it so you remember that you did review that comment or annotation. You can also use the check mark function like that. I'm going to keep going here. We have the properties icon. I'm going to click it, and simply what that does is opens the comment. You can change that. You can change the color. If you want to change this to blue, you can do that. Press OK. It'll change that annotation here. Open that back up. It also shows the general properties here. It shows the author of the comment, the time it was created, the last time it was modified. And if you keep going, you can see the status history here. You can see when the comment or annotation was marked over here with the check mark. You can also see the review history. It shows you, the receiver, and how you responded through the status function. You might have accepted it, marked it as completed, and so forth here. Obviously, you can also do things such as deleting a comment by just going here, and you'll see that delete icon, which is similar to a trash can, and you can just delete a comment that way. If you keep going, you have where you can search for your annotations and comments. So say I know I had a couple comments from the reviewer that says I need to fact check. I can literally search it, and it'll pop up all the annotations that says fact checked. Also, I can customize that as well through search options. I drop that below. I can use whole words only, so it'll only pull up words that says fact check completely. Also, I can go to case sensitive. So we had a fact check that was use a capital C. It'll only pull up that annotation that was spelled out that specific way. Go back. All right, if you select this filter icon to the right, you can filter out your comments. We only have one author, so I won't use that example, but you can do it by type. Say you have some annotations or comments that were circles. It'll pull up only those annotations with a circle there. Say you had some that were highlighted, and we'll say some rubber stamps. So it'll pull up those. You can click them. You can also click this arrow. It'll take you to the annotation or comment as well, the next one. Keep in mind, if you do use this and you want to add an extra comment on your page and say it doesn't have anything to do with the ones that were filtered. So say I want to add an arrow on my document, it's not going to appear, but once I click out all the filters, that annotation will pull up on your document. So just keep in mind, if you're trying to add one while you're filtering those comments and they don't appear, that is why. Move on here. To the right, we also have some print options. So you can either print your comments off through text. And so I kind of already have this pulled up. So say I was printing to a PDF, it will show up like this, where the text is all on one document, and it just goes down through all the annotations and comments you have on that PDF. And if you decide to print comments tree, it would appear like this, where you literally have that comments tree on a PDF document page. And so just some great advancements. Annotation and comments, they're color coded as well as they're in the shape they will be on the page. So say I have this square annotation. It is red on the page and it's a square. So you'll see that in your comments panel. Same with if I highlighted something, if I highlighted text, to show the color of the highlight. Or if I have things such as underline text in blue, it'll be cohesive with what's on the document as what's in the comments pane. So there you have it. I hope this video will be helpful for you when you are utilizing PDF Studio's comments pane and navigating through multiple annotations. For more great features and functions such as this one, download PDF Studio now.